guys, Mel here, and today we are going to be making these ceramic boxes from Mondo Llama. It's a paint your own kit that I got perfect for Valentine's Day. So let's get to it. For this Valentine's crafty project, I have a Valentine's tablecloth, because why not? Boom! I also got these adorable kitty brush holders. I got the idea from one of Chloe Rose Art's videos where she bought a set of panda ones, and I just thought these were so adorable. I mean, I love them. They're just so cute. Okay, first it's opening up the box to see what is inside. You get 2 ceramic heart-shaped boxes, and the second one was a little bit tricky for me to get out, but I did get it out eventually, as you can see. And then some of my jewels were not quite on the paper, the plastic backing, which was on the bottom. But you get paint, the paintbrush, red glitter glue, and then on the back was the rest of the gems stuck to its backing. And then, so here I am starting on the first box. One box I decided to use purple, blue, and green, which are the cool colors, and the second box I decided to use the red, pink, and yellow. That way I would use all the colors on at least one box. And it was fun trying to figure out how I wanted to decorate them. And so as I am painting, which I did start off using the paintbrush that came with the set, however it was kind of small, so I ended up in the end grabbing a different paintbrush a little bit later on so that it would be a little bit thicker and a little bit better, especially for painting such large areas. And just wondering, as it is Valentine's Day, what are your favorite Valentine's treats? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? I was at work for most of the day, and then, but it was pretty easy. I was putting out Easter candy. Yes, it is Valentine's Day, and and we're putting out Easter candy already. But it was a fairly easy day for me, which was good, and I was all dressed up in pinks, and you will see that at the end of the video. But back to this, I'm just doing painting the different colors, and now I'm on the second box, and I did paint 2 layers for each box. I just didn't show painting the second layer just for the length of the video, so I'm only showing the first coat of paint. But here I am using the yellow. I also did find that the consistency of the paint was different. The purple and the yellow were the most smooth, and then the rest of the colors were fairly they felt like they or kind of looked like more of a whipped texture. So they were a bit thicker, and I ended up in the end using more of those paints than I did the yellow and the purple. So I think if they had been a little bit thinner or smoother, then I probably wouldn't have used up most of those colors. But that's just how it is. And then when I was painting the red part of the heart, I had to go over part of it because it was supposed to be pink. And here you can see the texture. Yeah, it was just kind of a little bit odd, but that's okay. And now I am decorating. I used some silver glitter glue that I've had forever on one of the boxes, and I also had painted it with some silver glitter paint. And before decorating, I did also coat both of the boxes with Mod Podge and let them dry. So now I'm decorating the second box. And it was very fun. So here are the finished boxes. Don't they look so pretty? I think the blue one is my favorite. The smiley face is just so cute, and I love the split of the colors that I used. But I think they both really came out nice. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Alright, so I have my trinket boxes that I have painted and decorated. So here is one of... It's okay. Okay, so here are my trinket boxes that I have painted and decorated. So here is one of them that has a pink base and then with yellow and red in the inside, and the top has yellow, red, and pink with some, I used some Mod Podge 3-dimensional. It's kind of hard to tell, but like that clear iridescent stuff. And then the red glitter glue and some of the gems. And then my other box that I made is, I used the purple, blue, and green. So one I did warm colors, the other one I did cool colors. So this one is split in half and it's opposites with the purple and the blue. And it's got jewels on the side as well, and also and the green in the center. And then the top, I made a little smiley face. I used some silver glitter glue that I've had for ages now, and then made a little face with the jewels. And on this one, I also used some of my folk art glitterific paint. So I decorated with some glitter paint sparkles. So let me know which one you like best. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, if you like these types of videos, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like this video, leave a nice comment, and turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. It really will help out my channel so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!